What's up, guys? Stephanie here from Southern Girl Cooks. Today we are going to be making chicken fried rice. Now, I am making it with chicken, but you can make it shrimp fried rice, beef fried rice, whatever you want to do, okay? I am going to put some garlic in there. Now, I'm using garlic paste, but you can use minced garlic or whatever kind of garlic you have, okay? I'm gonna put some green onions in there. I've got some sesame oil. As always, guys, I'm gonna make sure that I link down in the description box how much of the ingredients that you'll need to use, okay? We're gonna bring our chicken back in. I've got a couple of eggs here that I've scrambled. I'm gonna put those in. Increase my temperature a little bit. I am going to mix everything together. And the last thing I have is our rice. I'm gonna bring that in. You wanna make sure you're mixing it up really good. Get everything evenly distributed.